We're using Fusion's parametric modeling capabilities to update the orange details on this beautiful vase designed for 3D printing. Earlier actions in the timeline serve as prerequisites for later features, creating a seamless and connected design process. Let's break it down. This shape drives the orange details around the vase, and the sketch behind it defines its form. We'll update the angle from 30 to 90 degrees and finish the sketch. Instantly, the connected features adjust, giving the vase a bold, new look. This flexibility lets you explore different solutions and quickly adapt to project or customer needs. Watch the full vase tutorial in this video and subscribe to the Maker Letters for more tutorials on Fusion, 3D printing and manufacturing.